Good morning, everyone. My title about our freedom, our future, the case of Bill of Rights. Freedom is never voluntary, given by officer. It must be demanded by the oppressed. Martin Luther King Jr. said these powerful words to remind us that our freedom are not simple-handed to us. They are rights that we must be recognized, protect, and sometimes even fight to uphold. Today, I am here because we have an urgent need to ensure that our essential freedoms and rights are protected. It's time for a Bill of Rights that safeguard each person right to live a dignity, free from fear, free from discrimination, and free with full equality. This Bill of Rights is not just a set of legal promises, it's a commitment of justice, fairness, and respect for all. In the next few minutes, I'll outline why this is important, what principle it would protect, and how each of us can make it a reality. Why we need the Bill of Rights? To understand why the Bill of Rights is essential, let's start with a little history. When the United States Constitution was the first created, some people felt it wasn't enough just to create a government. They insisted on something more, a Bill of Rights to clearly state to protect the freedom of every citizen. Those protection, freedom of speech, right to privacy protection from unfair laws become a foundation of a fair and just society. But today, we face new inquiry challenges. We live a digital world where our personal data can be shared, sold, and misused in ways that were imaginable in the past. Surveillance technology now allows government and corporations to monitor our activities like never before, often without our knowledge. The rise of social media has transformed freedom of speech, creating platforms for everyone to speak but also allowing harassment and censorship to essence voices. And let's be honest, many people due to their race, gender, or background still face systematic discrimination that limits their freedoms. So why do we need a Bill of Rights? Because these rights and protection are too important to leave to chance. A Bill of Rights would enshrine our most fundamental protection into law, setting a standard for our society and our government. It would give people and legal power and challenges abuses and demand fair treatment. The principle of the Bill of Rights. Now, let us talk about what this Bill of Rights would actually protect. There are four key principles we need to consider. First, freedom of speech. Imagine a society where people can openly share their ideas, challenge authority, and speak out of what they believe without a fear of punishment or censorship. This is the cornerstone of any free society, but today, free speech is facing threats. People are harassed or even silenced for their views, online or and offline. A Bill of Rights must be guaranteed the right to speak fairly while also protecting people from their threats and abuse. Second, right to privacy. Privacy is not a luxury. It's a right every person should have control over their own information. Think about your digital footprint. Every website you visit, every app you use, every message you send is potentially accessible to someone. Without clear protections, this data can be misused to manipulate, control, and exploit us. A Bill of Rights would protect our right to privacy, setting limits on how data is collected, shared, and used. It would give us a power to control our personal information rather than allowing corporations and government to make those decisions for us. Third, equality and non-discrimination. Equality is a fundamental to any just society. This means ensuring that everyone, regardless of their race, gender, religion, sexual orientation, or background, is given the same rights and opportunities. But we all know that this is not always the case. Discrimination and inequality persist in our schools, workplace, and communities. A Bill of Rights would enshrine equality into law, giving every individual the power to challenge discrimination and demand for fair treatment. Its statement that no one is above anyone else, thus that justice applies equality to all. Last, right to fair trial and due process. Finally, a fair trial is a basic human rights. It is a principle that says no one should face arbitrary punishment. A Bill of Rights would protect people from wrongful accusation and ensure that justice is accessible to all. This principle guarantees that everyone, no matter their background, has the chance to be heard and treated fairly by the law. These principles, freedom of speech, right to privacy, equality, and fair treatment, are not just ideas. They are the backbone for the free society. They protect us from abuses and give us the power to live with dignity, without fear of opposition and or discrimination. Let's pause for a moment and think about the impact of these rights in real people. Imagine a young journalist who wants to uncover corruption in their community. Without freedom of speech protections, this person could face harassment, fines, or even imprisonment for speaking the truth. Or think of an ordinary citizen who finds out their personal data has been shared without their consent. This data might reveal personally details about their health, their family, or their beliefs, all of which they intended to keep private. Finally, consider someone from the minority group who faces discrimination in their workplace. Without clear legal protection, they might feel they have nowhere to turn, but with a Bill of Rights, they would have firm foundation and demanding justice and equality treatment. These stories remind us that this isn't just a political issue, it's personal. It affects people's lives, their freedom, their dignity, and that's why we're here today to take the stand of these essential rights. Now, I want to speak directly to each of you. Think about what this right mean to you and your loved ones. Imagine a world where this protection and guaranteed, where everyone has the right to be heard or live free from discrimination, to speak freely and protect their privacy. We need your voice in this fight. If this matter to you, join us. Spread the word and sign petition and speak to your lawmakers. Share this message on social media. Talk about it with friends and family and remind others why the Bill of Rights is essential to just and free society. This is the movement that depends on each one of us. In closing, let's remember a Bill of Rights is not just a piece of paper. It's a promise to the future generation that they will live in a society that values their freedom, protect their dignity, and defend their rights. Let's stand together to make this vision a reality, not just ourselves, but for those who will come after us. Together, we can ensure that these rights are not just words but a way of life. Thank you.